I feel the three key aspects that contributed the most towards me winning the award was number one, the team that I've got surrounding me. That's definitely the sort of biggest factor and biggest influencer, because there's no way I could do any of this on my own. So the team are amazing, and we all work together. The second one is probably the brand, having such a strong brand behind me as well has been an amazing influencer, because again, if I was just sort of to be an independent pizza shop, then I wouldn't stand out in the same way that Domino's have got the national coverage and everything. And number three, I would probably say the way we've handled COVID and sort of been proactive with it throughout. We've always tried to stay one step ahead as best as we possibly can, and have a game plan in place throughout as well. So that's definitely contributed. The way I've reached this level of success in the business is, I think the key factor is the fact that I started as a pizza maker and worked my way up. So I learned every single aspect of the job, and that really helped me when I started my own franchise, because I knew I was able to train everybody in every aspect of the job, and how I knew it was supposed to be done properly. So I think that helped me to be able to train people, but it also helped the team, I think, to have more respect, because they knew that I had done it and at any point could do it. If it was busy, I would jump in and make pizzas, and when I go around stores now, if they're busy, then I can still jump in and help them make pizzas. Maybe not quite as fast as I used to be, but I still can do that if needed. It's a real honour for me to have won an award like this. It's an honour for me and for the whole team, because I said to them, although it's my name that's on the award, it's really the whole team that have won it, because I couldn't have done it without any of them. So it's an honour for me, it's an honour for the team, and for the brand as well.